Hey, what's up guys? I'm bored right now. Let's roam around. Let's see where we can end up and of course where we'll be heading to. Just roaming around. I'm bored. Come on, let's go.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So I'm here. I'm gonna eat lunch. So begin. Oh. Noodles.
อ๋อนี่ค่ะนี่ค่ะนี่ค่ะ
Okay.
อันนี้นะคะ
ใช่
เอาบิ๊กเลยไหม
What is big? This
อ๋อ
one?
ได้ค่ะธรรมดาอยู่ธรรมดาค่ะค่ะได้เลยค่ะ
Okay, go. So I'm here right now. Gonna have my lunch. Just finished with laundry.
โอ้ยหมดอยู่ไหนเนาะได้คุณได้สิบแล้ว
Right now. Camera. But of course, the weather is changing. The traditional weather right here in Thailand. Last year it was a bit white color, but this year, kind of, a little, just a little. At the same time, I need to fluctuate. I am eating the noodles right now.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
Okay, that's it. But you can see it's a little bit different from our bok choy. But it's okay, because they still have the thickness of the noodles, and same like the bok choy, but I think the soup is different. I just hope.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
As you can see, they have also the Canon import here, together with the mix, the white meat. Of course, the noodle is the same with our noodles in the Philippines, the egg noodles. So if you win this bad boy, this will be suitable for you. I thought you added a little bit of spicy, just the spiciness.
I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test. I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
It's gonna be I didn't bring my camera. I have my cell phone and my
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
It's gonna be like after a school year or 2 years. I'll be going on to my third year. So probably it's gonna be my I don't know. But of course I don't know until this COVID situation will die down a little bit. But of course we'll see what's going on in the next year. I'm also looking for this so-called Indonesia job offer. But of course, that will be a process. But of course, let's wait. We have a lot of description. Maybe it's about time.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. So that's one minute. We gotta go. Thank you. So that's my lunch for today. So it's gonna be another vlog, of course, with my student. She's there with her mom. That's her mom actually. So I don't know what is the name of this restaurant, but it's near the, near school of Activeon. So it's very near. It's just down there, very near. So I have to go now, and see you in the next vlog. So take care. Peace out.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh! life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take